In need of dog advice? Read this. Dogs are known as man's best friend. There is truth in those words. Knowing about dogs can help your relationship between you and your dog. The following tips will prove beneficial to you. Consider teaching your dog hand signals along with verbal commands. Consistency and practice are key to teaching a dog these nonverbal commands. Many owners get frustrated and resort back to verbal commands, but a well-trained dog should understand both. Try using only verbal commands when the dog is out of sight range, but when close up, only use the hand signals. When you are trying to teach your dog new tricks, you should always be patient. Different dogs will learn things differently. If your dog isn't picking up a new trick right away, give him time. You could also try changing your teaching method. Your dog may respond better to a different approach. Talk to your vet about how much to feed your dog. Many people look at the guidelines on the dog food bag. The problem with this is that some of the recommendations may be inaccurate and could cause your dog to gain weight. Speak to the vet about what makes sense for your dog. Trim your dog's nails regularly. If they get too long, they may start to curl under and cause your dog pain. You can always do your own trimming with clippers from the store. If you lack the confidence to attempt this, take the dog to a professional groomer. Check to make sure your dog's collar is adjusted properly by fitting 2 of your fingers comfortably underneath it and pulling gently. There should be just enough room to do this and no more, otherwise he may be able to wiggle out of it. Always keep it on, except during crate transport, as the collar can get snagged and injure. House training your dog will be much easier if you adopt a routine. You should go for walks regularly throughout the day and come home during your lunch break if necessary. If your dog has to be home alone for long hours, do not leave a bowl full of water unless it is very hot. Dogs make amazing pets. The more you know about your dog, the more prepared you will be to raise him. You should have learned a lot here, and hopefully you'll use what you have learned to build a happier life for you and your dog. There's no reason you can't have exactly the dog/human relationship you're looking for. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.